दाबोईच्या गोंय आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळाच्या नवे विमानतळ संचालक म्हणून फ्लाइट लेफ्टनंट आकाश दीप हांणी पदभार स्वीकारलो। विमानतळाचेर जावपी येरादारी कोयणेचो प्रश्न सुटावो करपा खातीर टर्मिनल क्षमता वाडोवप, मुळाव्या साधन सुविधांचे आधुनिकीकरण करप तशेंच प्रवाशांच्यो सुविधा वाडोवपाचेर भर दिला। प्रोत्साहन आनी कार्यक्षम कार्यावळी वरवीं इंटरनॅशनल फ्लाइट्स चड आकर्षित करपाचो हेतू आशिल्ल्याचें आकाश दीप सांगता।
With regard to the passenger handling, we have handled around 15,127 passengers per day in October itself, and we have reached the figure of 11.30 million per passenger capacity. With regard to the domestic and international flights, we are also handling around 110 to 120 movements per day. That is around 30 to 35 flights per day. Around 50 flights per day. Like I just shared with you, that we are increasing the security whole area. We certainly will, and the new technology has been introduced. So all these will help in dwell time and the passenger checking and procedures. It will be more efficient, more comfortable for the passengers, and we hope to see the passengers go more satisfied from this airport. After the recent incident in Delhi, we have received a red alert also. So we carried out a special security meeting, sensitized all the stakeholders, all the agencies working at the airport, to not only to augment their systems to be more sensitive towards the procedures, but also to sensitize their individuals who are on duty that this is not a normal place of working, this is a sensitive place. So chalta wala attitude nahi chalega. One has to keep an eyes and ears open. कुछ भी नॉर्मल से हटके होता है तो इत्तला करने की जरूरत है। चलता है वाला नहीं चलेगा कि अरे हमें क्या करना है। Security is everyone's concern. This is how we had a meeting here in the same room yesterday. Two incentives have been offered to the airlines that have shifted from here. And in fact, if you see the geographical location of this airport, it is anytime better placed and more comfortable for any passengers. More facilities that will come up with which we are very sure will attract the airlines probably who have already gone. And I also have, right now I have to shape up those plans, but I do plan to reach out to those airlines also.